Sub-Saharan Africa's forests are in crisis. The booming cities of the region rely on charcoal made from old-growth hardwood forests. Many African countries are lobbying at the Copenhagen Climate Convention to make it easier to certify forests for carbon trading. Green Resources and its partner business run one of the biggest timber plantations and sawmills in East Africa. As a timber company, they generate a lot of waste that is being recycled in a novel way. Joshua Mabonga is the biofuel manager at the mill.
This company is planting trees and it's operating sustainable basis. So all the waste will also be sustainably utilized.
The mill produces a staggering 50,000 tons of sawdust and waste per year, which used to be burnt. The company has embarked on an ambitious new program to create charcoal in these ovens from this waste material and provide it to households, stopping them from collecting it in the natural forests.
The company we have acquired briquetting plant, which is going to densify. It's going to densify this light charcoal into heavy density briquettes. And by the next year, middle of next year, we shall be in production of briquettes, which will be available to household use.
Charcoal is one of the most damaging extractive industries to Africa's forests. Every morning, in lines like these in Blantyre, Malawi, every city in the region sucks in hardwood charcoal for fuel. In Malawi, charcoal has been recognized by the government as particularly damaging, so they have outlawed it. Yet this approach has obviously not worked. In Mozambique, Alan Schwartz, director of the Mozambique Forest Project, explains the rate of this wood loss.
More than 90% of the population is dependent on fuel wood for their energy. That works out at about 2 cubic meters per person per year. If you really want to get some scary figures, what that means is 120 million trees a year are being lost for energy. Now, biomass as a rule is not necessarily a bad thing to use for energy. The only problem is if you're using it and not putting it back.